Yeah, my peeps. There and I said, well, St. Elizabeth over there. Watch if y'all get to over there right now. Over there, you see me just do a short skit for you.
Yeah, for me gonna show you one. We don't have the country here. And you know say we're in a beautiful place called St. Elizabeth. Even though I don't know which St. Elizabeth, the district there yesterday, but they have one breeze and all these things. Oh, the place named Middlesex. I don't know if you guys hear about this place.
Yeah, some family them come from. Yeah. Kingstonian still, but
Team one them come from the Middlesex and my one them come from Goshen, which are same place in St. Elizabeth. So you don't know the things that you read. So nobody read like me and one centipede.
Yeah, man, people, so we can look for grandma and things. You see me, I go spend a one day and going back.
Yeah, we are going to paint, guys, and all of them stuff. Like so we'll see when time we have paint and all these things.
Alright, so who may I call if we go help her take out the things them, so
yeah,
we'll just go.
It and show me. Turn it on. Hold this. Carry them, yeah, Tori, my nice clean sister-in-law in our tight pants.
Every other man is carrying that.
Yeah, and see, so the great grandma here.
Look here.
Yes, the great grandma. Say hi to the camera, grandma. Grandma, they are roast our bricks
so
fruit.
are you my grandson?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Good looking girl.
Thank you.
Yes.
Say grandma, they
keep up the good life.
Where do we eat, man?
Yes.
Now I met the devil. I'm a Christian too.
Keep up the good life.
Alright, soon come talk to you back.
Yes, right.
Peace. Peace.
Watch my babes. My man that you know.
Alright. I'm gonna show it to you next week. Watch out, I'm game. Hey. Do it, Nikki.
I can't do it.
Rana.
I can't do it.
What do you know?
I can't do it.
Do you go tour? Hey, tour what?
I don't see it. You don't even can't do it.
Do it, mommy. Hey. Alright, Jada. Go on, Nikki.
What can I do it? Papa, you can't do it.
You can't do it.
Hi guys, my name is Tori and I'm going to be starting my channel. Yeah! And on that channel, I want you guys to support me, like and subscribe to every videos, guys. Please, I will be posting challenges, pranks and so much more. Thank you guys. Peace.
Alright, watch your big boss. I do the gora now. This I go up in there. Watch out.
That's it. Like that.
You know, it's so good. Come to it, come show you about it though. We have fun. There we go. You know what I'm going to show you? Jerusalem. You know do it good. You know do it good.
Do something nice.
You still not do it good. Mad people them. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hey, go there. Hey, go there, go there, go there, go there, go there. Hey, 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 hey. Come, hey, 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 hey.
Guys, please subscribe and just please support us, guys. And at the end of the videos, we're going to do shout outs, guys. So please, please.
You still have video?
Yeah.
You want anticipate? One kind of time.
You're not gonna take out the pants soon?
Yeah, I need some of that.
So you again, me never see.
Punch that too tight. But no, because are you asking me if there is a mystery?
You can pose like Amari?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the thing is, I
You look like Amari?
But Nika can't mash up my life.
You look like Amari?
That is my
No.
You sing like Amari?
No.
You sing like Amari. You have to
never,
breathe.
I never, I don't even
You have
know.
video?
Shut my
You got video?
life. Yeah.
You don't
call
know.
the
You have to
company
breathe.
and
So listen how it goes.
emails and it's like an automated system or something that keeps sending back the
All
same.
in a row.
And they send
see
me
that?
an email
Yeah.
saying
Sound like
that
Dirty
someone else,
Jan
a different
Crow.
email signed up using my information.
Eat grass.
No.
So we have this gentleman right here. Can you tell me a little bit about your country?
Country is so nice.
Alright, so you're gonna before you do that, you're gonna introduce yourself to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my name is JJ
Yeah.
Yearn.
Well, I'm Nicole,
Oh,
otherwise known as Nikki.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. You is who to Lynn granddaughter?
Huh?
You is Lynn granddaughter?
No.
Oh, that's friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Lynn is a nice lady. They here see me with her. Just right up here living. And they take care of her, see me plan enough things that she call me if you do anything for her, I do it for her.
Beautiful.
See her like pops over there.
Okay.
Yeah, and Dada just lives upside the house there. So
Okay.
Dada's come like his son.
Okay.
And that and everything, you know?
Yeah.
So here nice and everything. So you look at shopping, come here, come buy and look at stuff all the while and everything. Like.
Okay.
Yeah. Nothing about Lynn, man. Lynn alright and everything, huh?
Yeah, so what you guys farm?
Yam, peanut, everything, eh?
Oh, I love peanut. I am actually from Goshen also.
Which part of Goshen?
Well, I don't really definitely, but I know say Goshen. It for me to find my way, I have to use a school bus.
Eh?
Yeah. But I know definitely Goshen, but I can't find me because it's been a long time. But,
Oh, long.
Yeah.
Oh, your parents are from Goshen?
Yeah.
I'm in the Goshen Taliwai.
Okay.
Yeah, I go pick some. What am I name Nikki Sweet up?
Yeah.
So we can see there one day at this one. Alright. Come. No, pick the sweet up. Wrap them up. Big one right there. Big one there right there.
Don't fit that green.
It I go put up, wrap up. Come now, let me show you. It fit.
Guys, look at this. Him said fit and it's not fit.
And you
So
listen
here
to
we
what I'm
have
trying to say right now.
what is your name? Introduce yourself to my camera.
Okay. Can't tell my friend.
Yeah.
Me is a woman like this. I never like to impose my name on people now.
Right. That is true.
Okay, my friend.
Yes.
My name is Lenore
Nice.
Parkinson.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sweet
You
stuff.
understand now?
Yeah.
These are that.
Yeah. So
I
tell
don't go to dance hall.
Mm-hmm.
I don't go to club. I don't go to warehouse. You hear that? I was a respectful woman.
Yeah.
I born in St. Elizabeth,
Yes.
which I know say I born at Pisgah, St. Elizabeth. You hear that now? Okay. I can tell you this, you know. I'm a just maker. You hear that now? And that ain't that much. Only put you not a guinea.
Okay.
Make me saying.
So-
I got I work with lots of people.
Mm-hmm.
And she can tell you, Puchun can tell you, just to help my family them.
Nice.
I never get no education more than so, but I thank God what I know. I can do a lot of reading, checking, is that.
Yes.
I can answer to plenty questions in the Bible, which I never read the Bible.
Right.
I answered 10 questions one time in the Bible. You see?
Yes.
Right. I'm a smoker.
I realize that.
I'm a good smoker, my child.
What you smoke? What do you smoke?
I smoke ganja,
Wow.
I smoke tobacco,
Wow.
and I smoke cigarette.
Oh, some ask a question now.
I don't think
In your young days, what you used to do? Were you a bad person, like a warrior person always?
Okay. If a person come to fight, I always creep up and drop them out on the neck.
You're a bad man.
Of course. Go there and same time and we'll tell you what's one here.
Yes.
You tell something, any one of them will tell you.
Yes.
I never let people worry me. You see me every time I'm doing something,
Yes.
and like a person come and says, I say, no, you do. You please move from me before I lick you down. You had some of me, child. But they go and say, put some in take your top.
I like your district, and I don't know you for long, but it seems like I know you a long time, and I'm really comfortable. So in your days now, you'd have a lot of young boy lurks in our fire door. Only for nice young boy.
You be dear child. The only young boy me heart, you know, they love me, but you know. I see them doing go. Separate. And separate also. She never get no money from no father. See her dear? Is that
Yes.
not?
That's your daughter.
And I do put myself on the work, me and my mother
Yes,
to
so
take
my
care of
mother
her
this,
man
you know, and
Yes.
if you take good care of her, she lose her husband, him blind, and she lose him, so me have to step up and take care of her right now, you know.
Nice, lovely.
So the thing
Right.
set up.
Yeah.
Big up
That's
the
right.
granny.
Show them you look weird.
Huh?
Show them you're weird now.
This
Yeah,
is
look
my
you
weed.
see that? It's so fair ganja big guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Me have a auntie, same place as St. Elizabeth. Oh, she smoke fair one. She put the light part in her mouth.
Well, that's I know plenty people.
What eat na earth?
No, my child, I can tell you something. This is smoking. Smoking don't give no one at all cancer.
What give you the
No
cancer?
smoking at all, my child. Depends. Everybody born with canal. And depends on what you eat. And it just feel like that. You see all the canal and the chicken, all this in there. And you go and eat that grease and that canal, it can develop it into cancer, my child.
Yeah,
No
because
doctor beat that word.
yeah.
None.
That's why I
Never
like,
that.
that's why I love the bush them, you know. Can't go to the doctor and go
A
get
pure
the
bush tea must
Yes.
begin. Let them put up the bed them. Huh?
You want company?
Let them put the bed and you go there while they're garden.
We may watch TV together. Now go, I stay. But I may have to talk to the dad over this. Stay?
Done.
See him there.
Can't turn, man.
Everybody done. Are you the fighter? We done. Me do that long time now. I know you cannot take problem with people. You want fight, don't it?
don't
Yes,
want
of course.
fight.
I read up if you is the fighter. Don't
Yeah.
it? Okay, what does that mean?
True.
Of course, me look for and tell you things, me child. If I not even know you, I promise you, I can tell you, you're a warrior.
So
And
me a warrior?
please treat this woman good. Yes, it?
Yeah.
I don't want to no problem up here. Yes, it? And
Yeah, man.
take it, your grandma tell you that? Okay. And this is what I say. Okay. What is it now? Your parents me?
Promise, yeah, man.
That's right. Okay, no better than that.
A story.
You see this?
Hey guys.
You see this, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Same bite for me. You understand?
Tobacco that.
May I tell you? See, you told me, my dada is second to my grandson.
Yeah.
And my cousin is my two. Me I come up for the 61 when I go so, one, and him say down.
Okay.
If you want brown girl in there, I'll keep telling you like it's in here.
One more season to go for mama chicken.
You know, she not eat season.
That chicken they know.
She not eat season. You don't want to eat the family.
Excuse.
You don't know if steam it up and thing with it.
No, for Steve there.
With the onion and the tomato and thing. You don't know fry it up. You catch the spice.
No, I'm gonna be here. It's gone.
And right through, one group of them go over that really goes.
Holland bamboo. Long, you know? Now, today I wonder why the bamboo them grew over the road. Them could have grown the other way. Yeah, I wonder.
It's a design.
Or if a people do it, a people do it.
No. Or sometimes hard rainfall, maybe can. Then them across.
Back in the days when cane farmer used to chop cane, like use hand instead of using reaper machine, use hand chop cane. The bamboo plant, they plant the bamboo for shade.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yo,
Come here.
what's up, guys? Guys, I don't know, so we just are coming from off of the country road, and you know the journey did long, and we're tired, and all these things. You know tired, babes?
What?
Tired is like kill me. But guys, you know what the exciting thing about it? We get whole heap of something. Guys, we get coconut. Guys, we get whole heap of pear. Guys, we get the Jamaica youngkin. You know what that? The pumpkin. Guys, I'm here to tell you, say, I can't wait for cook piece side because I'm here to tell you, say, guys, you know what I see a yellow and pretty.
And the camera battery did run out for we at that time.
Yeah.
At the point, so we have to cut the video and things like that. To kind of
But
preserve and
I am
things,
so
we just reached
glad
home
that
and-
I reached home. I feel so excited that I am home.
Yes, guys, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at real_youth_ENT_. And
guys-
on Facebook also as
And
well.
guys, please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, if you come over, Reese,
Also,
Rush, and Mickey channel, come watch it out because
Real
a whole heap of
youth.
niceness over there.
and there is a
I
lot
don't know
more
I
to
miss
come.
that, guys.
Peace.
Out.
Out.